Today we're gonna install HIDs on this car behind me right here. It's Altima. Yeah, you gonna see the difference. Stock and aftermarket. Let's get it. Alright. This is the brand I got. Innovated. They're not that bad. I use them, a couple times. No problems with them. Yeah, so this is it right here. This is your stock bulbs that's in the car. H11 bulbs. That's what's in your Altima fogs. Yeah, those are the stock bulbs. These are the aftermarket ones right here. Me, I got the 3K. That means yellow. So my light is going to be yellow. Okay, these are the ballasts right here. Ballast. This up. Alright, there you go. Here's your ballast. People who don't know what this is what powers these bulbs. Alright. Alright. And these brackets, you could use it if you want. I don't really use these. These are useless to me. I don't use those. I'm gonna show you how I do it. And yeah, let's get it. Most of the time when these bulbs go out, is most likely this is your problem, and you have to change this. It's not that much money. Also, when your bulb goes out, it could be bad connection, corrosion, get wet in there sometimes if you don't have a splash shield. Most of the time it will be this though. This will be a problem. This is easy, man. Plug and play. You're gonna see how simple it is. Simple. Alright, let's get it. Alright, let's start with the passenger side. Alright. You have two screws that's holding this splash shield. If you have one here. Two screws. That's another one. The other one's right here. Alright, let's drill these off. Take these off. Bang. Don't lose those screws or else this thing will be flying while you're driving. Okay. Alright. Move this out the way. It's in the way. Okay, there you go. There's your bulb right here. It's your H11 right here. Oh, hold on. Let me zoom in. It's your bulb right there. Bam. That is it. Now, take it off. What I do is like, take this like that. Bam. Alright. And right here, your plug. Right here. Just pull this back and pull this out. Can't do it with one hand, so I'm gonna use two hands. Hold it. So, I'll be back. Alright. Soon you cut them, it should be looking like this. Separate like that. One here, one over here. If you decide to cut this. If you don't, it should be stuck together. But it should be just like that. Bam. Separate. Alright, let's take this bulb, let's put it in. Make sure you put this grommet right here. Let me show you, hold on. See? It should be just like that. If you don't slide that back, it won't go in. So, just put this in. It should be easy to put in. Okay, hold on, just like that. That should go right in there. Alright, just like that. Fit in just like that, squeeze, and turn right. Should click in there. Bam. Alright, make sure you don't pull out. Alright, pull on it. Okay, cool. Now, let's get the ballast. Alright, here's your ballast. Usually, I put some Velcro right here. Put some Velcro here and put it on the car and just mount it. But I don't have Velcro right now at the moment, so I'll put it on later. Alright, let's put this on. Now, connect female to male on the ballast and male to female on the ballast. Alright, let's plug it in. Alright, it should look just like this. See that? Just like that. Male to female, male to female. Pretty much. All right, now take your stock connector, which is right here, hanging right here. It's right here. So don't forget this that you needed. This that you cut off. You need this. Connect this female into your male stock. All right, let's do it right now. All right, just like this. Connect it just like that. Now, take the other side, male, connect it to your ballast, female. All right, let's get it. Should be just like this. Bam. All right. Now, some people take the ballast and they just zip tie it somewhere around here. Somewhere they find, like, zip tie it to the bulb, zip tie it to this. Me, which I don't have any Velcro right now, I will mount it right here, right on this right here. Clean it up, sand it down so it's nice and dry. Put some Velcro right there. Put some Velcro on the back of the ballast, like right here. The back right here, and just mount it right there. So when you hit bumps, it doesn't move, doesn't do anything. Just sits right there. Don't forget to put your 2 bolts on the floor for your splash shield, and so your splash shield won't hang like that, just like that. So don't forget to put those back. All right, and this is it right here. This is the yellow HIDs. Let's put that thing low. All right, looks way better at night. But this is it right here, and this is stock. This was the stock one. You see the difference? Stock and HIDs. You know what I'm saying? Let's back it up a little, man. See the difference. Look at that. See the difference? All right. Now the driver's side, you could do that yourself, cause I already did this side. Just follow what I did. Rewind the video and see how I do it. Okay, and that was it. Plug and play. So if you have any questions, contact me below or contact me on Instagram. All right, subscribe.